Hello all. Today let's talk about computer shortkeys. Ctrl+A,
Select all.
Ctrl+B,
Bold.
Ctrl+C,
Copy.
Ctrl+D,
Font.
Ctrl+E,
Center.
Ctrl+F,
Find.
Ctrl+G,
Go to.
Ctrl+H,
Replace.
Ctrl+I,
Italic.
Ctrl+J,
Justified.
Ctrl+K,
Hyperlink.
Ctrl+L,
Left alignment.
Ctrl+M,
Move.
Ctrl+N,
New file.
Ctrl+O,
Open.
Ctrl+P,
Print.
Ctrl+Q,
Close.
Ctrl+R,
Right alignment and reload.
Ctrl+S,
Save.
Ctrl+U,
Underline.
Ctrl+V,
Paste.
Ctrl+W,
Close the current open document.
Ctrl+X,
Cut.
Ctrl+Y,
Redo.
Ctrl+Z,
Undo. Please like and share.
and please subscribe this channel for more Gyan. Ring the bell.